Master scheduling. It is a topic that often riles feathers, motivates others, and can sometimes be a headache for all administrators. Master scheduling not only determines the placement of students, the courses taught, and the programs offered, but will offer opportunities for help, and assistance in allowing students to experience achievement. While working on a master schedule, certain ethical dilemmas may become present through the process. One of these ethical dilemmas when developing a schedule could be offering equal access and opportunities to all students. Equal access and opportunities means that each student has opportunity to quality first instruction with highly qualified teachers. It also allows for a schedule to incorporate electives and versus just interventions, offering choice and interest to students. Oftentimes, while creating master scheduling with limited resources, students will be forced into either an enriching opportunity or an intervention opportunity. This does not allow for students to be able to experience both. And usually it is the same kids in each intervention each year. As they fall further behind, they need more and more resources. To battle this and to allow opportunity for choice, master schedule should include things like common periods to allow for flexible grouping, shared subjects at the same time period so that students can go between teachers and experience and get targeted instruction based on their needs during their core academic time. Using mornings for core academic subjects would also be another opportunity. In addition, targeted interventions which are embedded within a classroom. That way, they do not take away from enriching opportunities that are available to students, motivating them to learn. Another ethical dilemma could be in staff assignment and grouping. When looking at staff assignment and grouping, it is important to place teachers carefully to ensure high-quality first instruction takes place within the classroom. Utilize teachers' skills and knowledge and place them where they're going to be the most effective with students. In addition, the implementation of UDL strategies to offer scaffolding, supports, and choice within a classroom and to enables classes to have heterogeneous groupings instead of tracking or homogeneous grouping in which there is no model for growth. A third dilemma could be in the ending of programs or creating of others. Oftentimes, by changing the period or length of a class or a rotation, we can promote learning and inclusion in a variety of different ways on campus. Programs can be embedded, rotated throughout the week, offered on select days, or a creative and new form schedule that meets the needs just for the school. Core classes can be used to offer time and co-teaching possibilities in where two teachers work together teaching two subjects, but one is the director and the other one offers support, or vice versa, utilizing both talents in supporting both kids or all kids within the academics of their classroom.